So you finally created your YouTube channel, you're ready to start posting your videos and your content, but you don't know how to do it. Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can post your first video here on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about YouTube growth tips and strategies. If your goal is to grow on YouTube, kindly hit the subscribe button and stick around because there's so much more to learn here. So let's start. Alright, so we are in the YouTube dashboard now, the YouTube studio, and if you click at the top right hand corner there where it says create, if you click on create, you will see the different options. So we have the option to upload video, go live, create posts, add new playlist or new podcast. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to click on upload videos because that's what we want to do, right? So even if you don't want to use that create button, you can just go ahead and click on this other upward arrow that is right under it. It's still the same thing. So click on it and it will ask you to select file, select the video that you want to upload. By the way, I'm doing this on my phone, but if you do it on laptop, it's still the same as long as you're doing it from the YouTube studio, okay? So go ahead and select the video that you want to upload. All right, so I've selected the video I want to upload, and now this video is just being imported into YouTube. It's currently uploading. Okay, but while the video is uploading, if you look at the left hand side, you will see a couple of other information that you need to enter regarding this video. Okay, so let's start with the title. You need to give the video a title. Okay, we're not going to dwell so much on how to get the best title and all of that. So this video is just about how to upload YouTube videos. So I'm just going to give it that. So next, you talk about the description. Go ahead and describe what the video is about. And for the thumbnail, you have the option of uploading a thumbnail that you've already designed. And I highly recommend using Canva to design a thumbnail. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to design thumbnail using Canva, okay? It's quite simple and easy. All right, but if you don't have a thumbnail that you've already designed, you can let YouTube generate a thumbnail for you, and that will happen after the video is done uploading. So YouTube will just choose a frame from the video and use that as your thumbnail. Most times it's not the best, so that's why I recommend designing your own thumbnail from Canva, okay? So when I try to upload a thumbnail, it tells me that you need to verify your channel first before you can upload custom thumbnail, okay? If you just follow the prompt, they'll just send you a code to your number and you enter it and your channel will be verified, okay? If you want to add this video to a playlist, you can go ahead and do that, but we are not going to cover that now. Just go ahead, scroll down. All right, so remember in the last video where I said if you set your channel to not made for kids, then you don't have to select it every time. But if you haven't done that, this place you just have to say yes or no. So if your video has anything to do with kids, or if your channel has anything to do with kids, go ahead and say yes, but if not, just say no.